Today we're looking at a 2009 Honda Fit Sport. It's Blue Sensation Pearl. It's got 138,000 miles on it. All right, it's a Carfax one owner. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. All right, everything's in good shape here. It does have the spoiler here on the back. Rear of the vehicle's in good shape. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks really good here as well. It's a 2009, 138,000 miles, Carfax one owner. All right, let's take a look on the inside. Got the black on black door panels. All right, got the fabric up top here. It's got a little bit of blue in it. Let's see if I can get in there on it a little bit and show you. Okay, power windows, power locks. Got your power mirrors here. All right, black cloth seating. All right, it's got that blue, kind of bluish fabric insert. Driver's seat's in good shape. Passenger seat looks good. No issues at all. It is an automatic. Got your power outlet down here. It does have 2 keyless entry key fobs. I'll go ahead and show you those. All right, got your climate control area here. AM, FM, CD player. Okay. Got your leather wrapped steering wheel. Cruise control right here. It also has the transmission paddle shifters on either side of the steering wheel. All right, let's go ahead and check the mileage. Okay, it's got 138,070 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, I'll go ahead and show you the radio display again. All right, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. Got your climate control area. Okay, and then once again, it is an automatic. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Alright, door panels back here are in good shape. Got the nice thick rubber floor mats here in the back. Back seat cloth is in really good shape. Alright, interior of this Fit has been well taken care of. Alright, it's an 09 with 138,000 miles on it. Looks really, really good. Interior and exterior. Is a Carfax one owner. Alright, got the nice protector mat back here as well. Spare tire down here. Alright, got the sunshade here. But a good bit of room back here in this Fit. Alright, back seats do fold forward. That'll create a lot more room for you. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. Let's see, we've got 16-inch alloys. Alright, it's a brand new set of tires. Plenty of tread on them. Alright, once again, it's a 2009 Honda Fit Sport. Okay, it's got 138,000 miles on it. It's a Carfax one owner. This thing's in really good shape, inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.